Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 131, Elements of College Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 7. This is Problem 7 from Section 2.1. Solve the system of linear equations 4x plus y equals 9 and 3x minus y equals 5. So step 1 is multiply one or both equations times some value so that one of the variables will have the same number in front but with opposite signs. Now the y is already set up with same number in front but opposite signs. You essentially have positive 1y, negative 1y. You could make the x's cancel. You could go with a 12x and a negative 12x and it would give you the same answer, but there's no reason to do all that extra work. I'll just add them together now and cancel the y's. I can go right to step 2. So if I add these together, 4x and 3x is 7x, positive y and negative y cancel, and then 9 plus 5 more is 14. So step 2, add the equations together to cancel one of the variables, gives me 7x equals 14. Step 3, solve for the remaining variable. If I divide out the 7, 14 divided by 7 equals positive 2. X is 2. So that's step 3, solve for the remaining variable. I get x is 2. Step 4, take the answer from step 3 and plug it back into either of the original equations and solve for the other variable. I get to choose either one. I'll choose the top one just because it doesn't have that negative. One less chance for a careless error on my part. So if I take the top equation, I'm going to do 4x plus y equals 9. And now that I have solved that x equals 2, this 4x is really going to be 4 times 2 plus y equals 9. 4 times 2 will become 8. 8 plus y equals 9. And I can see y must be 1. 8 plus 1 would make 9 equals 9. But you can take it through to the end. Minus 8 on the left, minus 8 on the right. And 9 and negative 8, sure enough, does give you y equals 1. So the solution for this system of linear equations is x equals 2 and y equals 1. Those values make both equations true at the same time. And if you saw it as a graph, the two equations would intersect at the point 2 for the x value and 1 for the y value.